The Press Enterprises annual Best of the Inland Empire California list for 2023 is out, and it's time to spotlight the region's best in the window replacement industry. Ballots were cast by readers from all over the Inland Empire, including areas from Corona to San Bernardino and Lake Elsinore to Murrieta. Let's dive into the top picks for this year. Coming in at number 1 is Andy's Glass and Window Company. Andy's Glass and Window Company has been a fixture in the Southern California glass window and door industry since the 1970s. Operating from a massive 11,500 square foot facility in Murrieta, Andy's Glass has grown to become the largest glass contractor in the area. They are renowned for their wide range of construction materials and a comprehensive list of installation services, catering to all glazing needs. At number 2 is Andersen Windows. Andersen Windows has been a dominant force in the windows and doors industry since its inception in 1903. Andersen Windows can be purchased through local window dealers and at home improvement stores like Home Depot. For full-service window installation services, consider renewal by Andersen for your window needs. Coming in at number 3 is Window World of Riverside. Window World of Riverside has been servicing the Riverside area since opening in 2016. The company has garnered strong reviews over the years, with customers most citing very affordable prices and professional installation service as the main reasons for choosing Window World of Riverside for their window replacement needs. Pro Replacement Windows always delivers the best windows from the best pros at the absolute best prices. To get a free instant quote for replacement windows, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.